I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to lock your iPhone or iPad to a single app using guided access. Have you ever needed to keep your iPhone or iPad locked to a single app? Whether it's for focusing on a task, childproofing, or setting up a display, this video is just what you need. I'll show you how to lock your iPhone or iPad to a single app using Apple's guided access feature. This is a fantastic tool for maintaining control over your device in various situations. Now let's walk through the steps to lock your iPhone or iPad to a single app using guided access. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Accessibility. The accessibility screen is shown. Step 3. Scroll down to the General section and then tap Guided Access in this section. The Guided Access window opens. Step 4. Tap to toggle on Guided Access. Additional options will appear on the screen. Step 5. Tap Passcode Settings. The associated screen is shown where you'll be able to set a guided access passcode or disable guided access with Face ID. Step 6. Tap Time Limits in the guided access options to display a menu where you can choose to play a sound and have the remaining guided access time spoken before the time ends. Step 7. Toggle on Accessibility Shortcut if you want triple-clicking the side button to display accessibility shortcut settings. Step 8. Tap Display Auto Lock if you want to set a specific time after which your iPhone or iPad will automatically lock when it's in guided access. Now, whenever you're in an app, you can initiate guided access by triple-clicking the side button on your iPhone or iPad. The guided access menu is shown. Click Start in this menu to initiate guided access. Your iPhone or iPad will be locked into using this specific app until you leave guided access. You can exit guided access at any time by triple-clicking the side button and then tapping End in the menu. If you no longer want to use guided access on your iPhone or iPad, you can navigate back to guided access through the accessibility menu at any time and then toggle the feature off. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.